The bowl is the lower part of your barbecue's kettle. It is made of steel with a durable baked porcelain finish. Most problems with the bowl are the result of accidental damage, such as the grill falling over or something hitting it. If the porcelain finish is cracked, the bowl can begin to rust over time. Replacing the bowl is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lid and grates from the barbecue. Now remove the charcoal bucket. I'll release the lanyard from the bucket, and then to remove the bucket, I'll pull the wire away from the feet, and then the bucket will come free. Now remove the side table. Now remove the ash catching pan. And next I'll remove the lid support. Now remove the igniter wires. Now remove the gas line from the burner tube. The line is held in place with this clip. I'll go ahead and remove it. And now I just pull the orifice out of the burner tube. Now remove the burner tube from the kettle. It's held in place with a couple of screws and nuts. Next, I'll remove the handle from the damper. To do this, I'll need a screwdriver. I place the screwdriver between the rod and the H fitting. Then at the same time, I'll rotate the handle of the screwdriver and the handle. That releases the handle so I can pull it away from the damper. With the handle removed, now I can remove the dampers from the bowl. Now I'll remove the bowl from the frame. Now remove the ash catcher ring. It's held in place with tabs on the inside of the ring. You can just simply pull the tab away from the legs on the kettle, and then the ring will come free. Now I can install the new bowl. As I install the bowl, I need to make sure that the hole for the burner is pointing towards the regulator. I'll secure the bowl with the bolts and plastic washers that we removed earlier. Now I'll reinstall the damper. As I install the damper into the kettle, I need to make sure that wing number 3 is between the 2 holes for the wire lid support. The wings on the damper tend to give some spring to the assembly. We need to hold the assembly down tight against the kettle to reinstall the handle. So I'll place something heavy on top of it. Now I can reinstall the handle. I want to make sure that I install the handle on the front side of the grill. First, I'll place the H washer over the fitting on the damper and then install the handle, twisting it until it clicks. Now I can replace the ash catcher ring. First, I thread the handle through the slot in the ring. Then the tabs go behind each of the legs on the bowl. Once I have it in alignment, I push it up and snap the tabs behind the legs. Now replace the lid hanger. With the support on the back of the lid hanger, I need to install this additional bracket. I place it just behind the hanger bracket, then I'll insert the bolt through it, insert this through the hole in the bowl, and then secure it on the inside with a nut and washer. Now I can go ahead and tighten up the fasteners. Now I'll reinstall the burner. Place it through the hole in the bowl and secure it to the bowl with the bracket. Two washers and the 2 lock nuts. Now reinstall the orifice into the burner tube, secure it with the wire clip, and I'll reinstall the ignition wires. Install the white wire to the white connector and the black wire to the black connector. Next, I reinstall the ash catcher pan. Now I'll reinstall the side table. Now I'll snap the charcoal bin back into the frame and reattach the lanyard. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the grates and the lid. And now you know how to install a new bowl on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.